Hey guys, welcome back. Kings of NY YouTube channel, giving you some good tips on which brand. Just going to show you a quick way today on how to turn any picture of any product into a perfect product photo for your website, for your brand, for anything. It's kind of something I just bumped into recently, actually. And anyway, here we go. I'm going to show you one. We're going to do a photo of, let's do a photo of this shirt. Okay, so what you want to do is first get the PhotoRoom app, as you see at the bottom right there. I already have it. So we're just going to open that up. And there you go, see the plus sign, that's where you can add your photo. But as you can see, there's a bunch of different settings and a bunch of different options they have once you import a photo. These are just examples. Get a podcast cover, YouTube thumbnails even, a whole bunch of options. This is just a free version. They even have a pro version with many more options apparently. Anyway, here we go. Let's add the photo. You see I took it right on the floor. Boom, takes the background right out. Pretty simple. You can see it with the white background. They even have a PNG file you can get there with no background at all and be able to save it. Bunch of different settings. Anyway, that's it. Pretty simple. As you can see, you can resize it before you save the photo. And it has a watermark down there of a PhotoRoom. This is just a free version, so it will save with the PhotoRoom watermark unless you get the paid version, which isn't much. Anyway, I use the free version sometimes, and it works pretty well. I mean, you can pretty much just crop the photo if you really wanted to. But I'm sure the pro version is well worth it at this point. And so there you have it, guys. Another video for you. That's a quick and easy way to make your product photography. It's a pretty simple way. Of course, you can use any other editing programs to enhance them, or even, of course, do a better job than that. But that app works pretty good, pretty quick. You don't really need to do much to it, honestly. It works perfect for like vintage websites, especially when they want some quick turnaround on their photos. Don't want to spend all day on it. And yeah, general photography photos, pretty quick, pretty easy. It's a good app. Check them out. That's it. See you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. And we're going to have some more how-to videos and simple things. And anyway, keep on watching. Thanks.